Ready to start your freelance career and work with leading clients? Here's how to create your Toptal account and make a strong first impression. First, go to the Toptal website. In your preferred web browser, look for the button to apply as a freelancer or something similar. The specific wording might change, so pay attention. Click it to start the application. Next, you'll see the application form. Enter basic information like your name, email address, and the skills you specialize in. Be honest and accurate when providing this initial information. Your skills are key, so be selective. Then, detail your specific skills by listing the tools and technologies you know. Think about all the coding languages, frameworks, and platforms you've used, ensuring they're all clearly mentioned, and this helps match you with projects. Now, the profile section. This is like your online resume. Write a clear, concise description of your experience. Highlight your accomplishments and what makes you and your work stand out. Proofread everything carefully. A well-crafted profile signals professionalism. Lastly, review everything thoroughly before submitting. Double-check spelling, grammar, and all information displayed for accuracy. Remember, a well-crafted application is your initial step to success. On submitted, the Toptal screening begins. Best of luck.